Welcome to another video. As you guys read by the title, I will be taking you guys behind the scenes of me installing some mini twists featuring QVR hair. I am super excited for the color of this hair. I've never done this color before. If you guys are interested, if you don't know what the Grace to Create is, I take you guys behind the scenes of creating brand deals through faith, through God's strength. But if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. I'm starting my workday at 2:05. I don't plan to be finished by today. I am going to be doing very small mini twists. You guys wish me luck. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. I have to be finished by July 4th. So that means we have 2 days to get this video done. I currently have my iPhone set up to record short form. They sent me a total of, I believe, 7 packs of hair because I be needing an extra 2. But normally for my mini twist, when it comes to working with these brands, you only really need 5 packs of hair. But I just be asking for an extra 2 just in case I run out. I won't be parting the back of my hair. If you guys are new here, the back don't got nothing to do with me. We are just going to free part the back and then actually care about the front. So let's just get into it. By the way, I'm currently showing short form. It looks orange, but it's ginger. I'm super excited for the outcome, y'all. Listen, orange, I do not know. I look like a chicken with these colors on. Let me show you guys my setup before I get started. And I'm going to be back and forth between both iPhones because if you guys are new here, you already know that my phone be glitching. So I gotta make it work. I gotta make it do. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. This is my setup. iPhone, iPad for YouTube, hair as always.
Father, Alpha, Omega, my maker. Oh my.
Hey girl, 2 twists down. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because y'all see my natural hair is black and I have some ginger hair on my hair, so wish your girl luck. I'm not a professional. I am not liking how these twists are looking so far just because it looks like hot Cheetos. No, it looks like Cheetos to me. It's 6:04. I'm almost finished with the back section. Probably got like 4 more hours left, which doesn't sound like I'm almost finished, but I'm not a professional, so I'm gonna do the front section very small. I'm kind of making these twists a little bit more longer just because I want for the orange / ginger pieces to actually show. I'm adding in 2 pieces for each twist.
6:33. Yeah. Set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up, thankful for His patience, grace, and
Update, it is currently 11:04 p.m. I gotta dig in my nose, sorry. Took me like a 2-hour break, but I am back and I'm almost finished with the back. Just have like probably like 2 more sections left and I'll probably be finished with the back by tonight. I'm not trying to do the back tomorrow. All I want to do is just focus on the front tomorrow, so that's probably what I'm going to do. The back is something that we don't care about. We don't do. I'm not going to show you the back because it's embarrassing. My middle finger, it hurts. I feel like it's cramping up. I've been in this bathroom since 2 o'clock. Took me a break around 7 to 9. Almost about to be 1 and we are on the last section in the back. But I'm so tired, y'all. Like, I'm so tired. But thank God this is the last section because all I have to do now is just the front, which I'll do tomorrow.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today.
Oh, hi. Hello. 1:23. And I'm delirious. I'm sleepy. My middle finger, it hurts. Like, it's sore. Like, it's never felt this way before. It's time to rest, but I have a lot of things to get done. I have an article to write because I was supposed to turn it in yesterday. So finish my hair tomorrow, draft up the article before I go to bed tonight, and then I also have to get some editing done because I want to continue to be consistent on my short form, so posting at least 2 to 3 reels every day.
Bought me at a price a man can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you with everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip on the cost. Gave us only strength. Didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory only fully clothed. Yeah.
Hello my beautiful friends. I did not say hi to you guys earlier, but obviously this is the next day. As you guys seen, it is currently 4:52 and I am almost finished with this section, and then all we have left is just this last section. But your girl is so hungry. I made sure I ate breakfast. I had me some pancakes and eggs, but now I'm about to go eat my sub. Oh my gosh, Wawa food, oh my goodness, it is so freaking good. If you never ever had Wawa in your entire life, I don't know if they have Wawa in other like states, but in Miami, in Florida, man, the food is so freaking delicious. Like 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. And Wawa is basically a gas station that sells really great food. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat that sub. Oh my goodness. Well, no, it's a wrap. That's literally my favorite, and I'm about to run out of hair because I did do these twists just a tad bit longer. I used 2 pieces for each twist, and so I do have some black hair, so I'm blending the orange pieces and the black pieces together, as you guys seen. And I'm just taking a section out like this, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just gonna pinch it together. I'm going to add my pomade onto the section. I'm just going to braid the piece onto my real natural hair. So we're going to pull you guys closely. If the twist isn't perfect, it's okay, because it's not about perfection, okay? It's just all about getting the job done. Anyways, grab the hair, and then I'm just going to grab my natural hair with my middle finger, hold it tightly, grab this piece, pinch it, and then just start off the braid like so. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I'm braiding just for a few, and then I'm going to connect the 2 pieces together like so, and then I just twist all the way down. You're going to twist down until where you notice the twist is about to stop, right? And once you notice that, you're going to grab another piece and then add it in the middle of the 2 twists, or the 2 pieces. So this twist is about to be over. So I'm going to grab a small piece of hair, and then I'm going to place this piece in the middle of the 2 pieces like so. And then I'm going to grab both pieces and then just pinch it and turn. Pinch and turn to secure the piece. Pinch and turn. And then now once it's secure, you're going to just twist all the way down until you can't twist anymore. And that's basically how I do my mini twist. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna finish off this side, and then yeah.
Don't say a thing about the way you look me, but I like the way, I love the way you touch me.
Do it up and I drop it till you make it faces and look like you wanna tell me stop it. I'ma do it till you can't take no more.
So excited. This is the last row. Currently 7:39. I'm tired, and I'm tired. After this I have to record the last video, which is a hairstyle video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. And right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. Then dip me underway and feel my river flow and flow.
Okay, so this is a couple days later from the last clip, and I just wanted to end off this video. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to try out different colors. I love this color, but you let me know. I love you, God loves you, and we'll see you in the next video.